What's going on, everybody? This one's going to be very, very short. Just basically me re-upping and re-announcing that I'm releasing my Scrape the Planet course for free. I've already started uploading a ton of videos. You've probably gotten tired of them. I actually think I've lost a couple of subscribers because I was uploading like way too many times per week. But you can find the playlist to that course in the description below. The whole course is going up for free. I just kind of wanted to do like a quick recap. Nothing quite to the depth of like the full review that I did a couple of months ago. Um, basically, the course is raking in like a grand total of $20 a month now. Anybody who's released a course, especially on Udemy, knows that there's a fairly long and very low tail to releasing courses. What that basically means is that over time, you majorly like decrease the amount of money that you make per month. That's one of the many reasons why I've always wanted to release it for free. Like from the very, very beginning, I wanted to eventually release it for free because there's really no point in me like paywalling it off when I'm only making a couple of bucks a month off of it. So I will switch over to the new screen. As you can see, I've made almost $1,700 off of it from 247 enrollments with an average course rating of 443. And this graph really kind of tells, the whole story. My first month, $1,100. That was fantastic. But since then, $62 in February, 23 in March, and obviously it's only a couple of days in April. But I don't plan on making anything off of that, even if I did leave the course up. So, I talked a little bit about what I thought about Udemy in the last video, so I won't just belabor that point. But I do think this will probably be the first and last course that I do on Udemy. There were a couple of things about it that I wasn't just super happy about. Um, that being said, obviously, I'm not going to turn down $1,700. That was a fantastic first experience, and it kind of got my name out there, and that was great. But the fact that I can't control the pricing and a lot of the stuff around kind of like control over the marketing of your course, I didn't really love that. And I feel like I can kind of offer a lot of cool stuff if I launch it on my own platform. So there will be a new class coming this year. I don't know exactly when, but you can view the entire Scrape the Planet course for free on YouTube now. I'm going to keep uploading episodes. YouTube really doesn't like it when you upload like everything all at once. So I'm going to be releasing them over the like next couple of weeks, just basically one episode at a time. I think I've got 1 through 4 sections, and I think there's section 5 and section 6 left. So those will be released over the next week or two, and you can, like I said, view the playlist down in the description to view the entire course. And for those of you who might be a little confused, obviously I'm going to make the course free on Udemy as well. Nobody who already paid for the course is going to lose access to the course. I'm not going to take it down off of the site. I'm basically just going to make it free on Udemy and put it up on YouTube. That's the typical way that you do it. So if you have already, looked at the course, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for the support. Obviously, it's been awesome. If you haven't, now it's free and you can kind of follow along at your own pace. So feel free to take it easy. Peace.